The Geckota G-01 1950s Dive Watch was added to our range in early 2018, initially in just 3 dial colours. This model shows the first step towards a more coherent style and range with many unique design aspects throughout the piece. The watch's popularity has continued throughout 2018 up until today, where a brand new dial colour has been added to the range. The G1 shows a different side to the Geckota range, with a more unique, individual design taking inspiration from space-age type buildings and architecture. The G1 features a fume-style dial, complete with a vertically fine brush finish. This unique finish creates a wide range of colour tones on each dial option when the lights hit it. On each G1, the watch harnesses warm tones with gold coloured hands, indices and seconds track featuring. The applied hour markers on the G1 sit on a thin white line, another nod to the space age inspiration. This line continues across the dial vertically and horizontally, bringing the watch's design together effortlessly. The watch features a fully polished 42mm case encapsulating everything space age. This cushion case features a continuous, steady curve, only broken up with sharp, angular corners. Short lugs are used to ensure the focus remains on the watch's detailed dial. The crown on the G1 has a gold infill with the Geckota G signed. This screw-down crown is nice and easy to operate and plays a crucial part in the watch's 300 meters water-resistant rating. The G1 is powered by the Seiko NH35 automatic movement. This is an incredibly appealing option with its 41 hours of power reserve and reliable qualities. As with all Geckota watches, the G1 has been created in limited numbers, ensuring exclusivity and meticulous quality control checks. Only 100 watches per version will be made in each production run. We only create and bring to market products we truly believe in and regularly wear ourselves. Today we've been looking at the red dial option. However, here's a more detailed look at the other options currently available. At the start of the video, I also mentioned a new dial option. Let's take a look at the newest addition to the range. Introducing the new dark grey G1. Much like the rest of the G1 range, this new dark grey option really plays with the light well, meaning in places with less light, you'll notice the dial is more of a black colour. Thanks for watching this quick look at another Geckota watch. Let us know your thoughts on the G1 in the comments below, and if you are an owner, we'd love to hear your experiences. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.